First, make sure the basics are covered. Check if your printer is plugged in and turned on. Check if there's enough paper in the tray and if it's inserted correctly. Low ink or toner levels can also cause issues. If your printer has a screen, look for any error messages that might explain what's wrong. Your IT tech may not be polite if you forget these steps. Next, check how the printer is connected to your computer or device. If it uses a USB cable, ensure it's properly connected at both ends. For wireless printers, make sure it's connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Sometimes, resetting the router or reconnecting to the network can fix the issue. Back to basics with this one. A simple restart often does the trick. Turn off the printer and your computer or device, wait a few seconds, and turn them back on. This can help to clear up temporary glitches. Make sure the printer is set as the default on your device. Go to the settings on your computer, phone, or tablet and find the section for printers or printing devices. If there are any pause or stuck print jobs, cancel them and try printing again. If there's a paper jam, follow your printer's instructions to carefully remove the jam paper. Make sure no small pieces are left inside. Even a tiny piece can cause significant problems. Some printers have a built-in diagnostic tool. You can run this test through the printer's menu or software to check for hardware issues. Finally, check for any software updates on your computer, phone, or tablet. Sometimes an outdated operating system can cause compatibility problems with the printer. If none of these solutions work, there may be a more serious issue with the printer that requires professional help. Now is the time to refer to the warranty, manufacturer's guarantee, or purchasing a replacement unit altogether. If this video wasn't helpful in any way, I can only apologize. Hopefully you can leave a comment in the comment section and the Snippet IT community will be able to help out. See you in the next one.